Hey yo, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day so far. Today your boy Sky has a very interesting video because a lot of you guys in the comment section, whenever I'm talking about a new token, you guys are like, Sky, it's already had its initial spike, you are late on this video. Well, the token I have for you guys today is called Ocean Keeper, and we are very early because the token has not even been released. There is going to be a pre-sale that will be happening the day after tomorrow, which is going to be the 16th of June. Before we carry on, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with cryptocurrencies or the whole of the market, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. Right there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, and it will help me and yours. The YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people will see the positive side of Ocean Keeper. They decide to invest in it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit and at the same time help in charity. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Let's go for 121 likes. One thing I do want to add is, you guys know, any token that is charity based, I love the token, and this one is fully charity based as they do want to help out the ocean life. So all the sea creatures, the main purpose behind this token is all the charities are actually helping out clean out the oceans, also saving the animals inside of the ocean. So if we scroll down a little bit, you guys can see our vision. Overfishing, poaching, and environmental waste has destroyed our marine populations and polluted our seas. Our goal is to ensure we educate you and bring awareness and protect the future of our ocean life. And that's true. You guys know ocean life plays a huge critical role in the human life and the whole of the ecosystem. At this rate, if it keeps going, in 2048 there will be no sea life left, and that is their goal. They do want to make sure that that does not happen. They want to clean up the oceans and also help the survival of sea life. If we scroll down, you can see our mission is simple, our objective unmatched. Now their tokenomics is very interesting. So every single transaction that happens, there will be a 10% fee, and out of the 10% fee, 3% will be redistributed to all the holders to promote the people on holding the token, 3% will be added to liquidity, and 4% will be donated to charity. I like the fact that they are actually putting a heavy impact on the charity part, because most of the tokens that say that we are a charity token, most likely they are only giving like 1%, but this token, you guys can see, pretty much is heavily based towards the fact that they want to help out the charity by giving 4%. I just love the fact that they are helping so much. Make an impact, earn rewards, because when you do invest in this token, obviously you will be investing into a token which has a good future, and at the same time you will be earning by just holding. You do not have to stack the coin, and at the same time you will be helping in charity. I just personally love the fact that they are trying to help out the sea life, because I do personally think sea life is in a dangerous spot and they do need some help, and this is going to be a good way to help for you without having to actually go in yourself, and also you do make a lot of money at the same time. I just want to quickly mention, I am not a financial advisor, so after watching this video, make sure you guys do your own research and do put your money into something that you believe in, because it is your hard-earned money. Why invest in Ocean Keeper? The unique advantage of Ocean Keeper token is that it offers a combining feature of investing with charitable causes. Ocean Keeper believes that investment and charity can be merged into one. Ocean Keeper secures the individual's financial freedom while benefiting the world, especially the ocean and the marine life. The token has a limited supply, so no new tokens can be created, and the supply is 1 trillion. At the same time, that 1 trillion, 50% has already been burnt. Now, talking about the main features, they do want to make sure that there is trust and transparency at the heart of Ocean Keeper, centered at charitable causes, capital and redistribution gains, community driven, and experienced co-founders. The first one being unity, power to the people and power by people for our ocean. The second one, our team is passionate and dedicated on supplying the highest level of transparency and trust. Helps sea lives through oceanic donations, which in turn helps tokens exponential growth. Ocean Keeper, trust in the founder to commit to the ocean and widespread charities to help protect the ocean. High level contract, it has been verified, tested, and committed to providing the highest quality. Charity, and finally the advanced tokenomics, detailed and well-designed tokenomics to ensure sustainable growth. Now, talking about their roadmap, you guys can see the starting point is going to be phase 1 of 2021, concept creation, contract development, pre-sale event which will be happening in 2 days, marketing, token launch, CoinGecko listing, CoinMarketCap listing, first charity donation, manual burn, and charity partnership. In the second phase, they want to do more marketing, charity NFTs will be coming out, charity donation, and CXC exchange listing. In phase 3, there will be more burning of the token, therefore actually increasing the price of the token. And finally, they do want to have a Binance listing, and they also want to go exchange live. I just personally love the fact that they do have some long-term ideas. They have also listed some charities that they do want to support, such as the ocean cleanup. Now, talking about the pre-sale, you guys can see there was a pre-sale release, and that was on I Do Pre-sales, and at the bottom you can actually find all the information and tokenomics. The website where the pre-sale will be occurring is Unicrypt. You guys know, one of the safest one when it comes to all the Binance tokens, and this one also has some main information that you guys need to know, such as the supported charities, then also the total supply being 1 trillion, 50% being burned. I just love the fact that they are being so transparent with the community and making sure that they can gain the trust at the start and make sure that everyone trusted them. I know that a lot of you guys might have the question, Sky, how does the token distribution look like? If we just go to their white paper, you can see it is a very detailed white paper. So if you guys have any specific questions, the white paper would be a good place to read because you will be able to find everything. But if we keep scrolling down a little bit, you guys will be able to see the specific tokenomics. So first of all, the team wallet has 5%, then the marketing wallet has 3%, then the partner tokens is 1%, and Unicrypt, which is where the pre-sale will be occurring, that has 1% to actually help with the fees. Then 55% will be allocated to the pre-sale, and 35% is added to liquidity. This is a good way to put it because you guys know the higher the liquidity, the more stable the price is going to be, and the whales will not be able to make a huge impact. I know a lot of you guys use PancakeSwap when it comes to actually buying new tokens such as this, so you just convert your BNB. Yes, you will be able to do the same method for the pre-sale. If you do not want to purchase in the pre-sale, after the pre-sale comes to an end, it will be listed on PancakeSwap, and it's the same process. You simply just need to go ahead and get the contract address, convert your BNB into the token. By the way, you guys can see the Twitter page is actually fairly new. They're probably still working on it due to the fact that the pre-sale is so near, but something that is not new is their Telegram. It has 3,500 members, and 1,000 of them are online at the moment waiting for the pre-sale to start so they can go ahead and buy in. Obviously, the pre-sale is still 24 hours or nearly close to 24 hours away, and that is good because everyone who is watching this video will have some time to walk into it and make sure you can buy in on the pre-sale. What do I think about this token? It is incredible. If you miss out on the pre-sale, that's completely okay. You will be able to just get PancakeSwap, connect your Trust wallet, convert your BNB into Ocean Keeper, and you will be able to do it that way as well. With that out of the way, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. What do I think about the token? I think the token has a good future, and I like the fact that it is a charity based token. I love charity tokens. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel and you do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.